Integral of x into sine inverse x. We have to find out the integral of this. For this, we'll be using integration by parts. Now, when we are using integration by parts, we have to understand what will be our first function, what will be our second function. For that, we will be using ILATE, which says I for inverse, L for logarithmic, A for algebraic, T for trigonometric, and E for exponential. Now, whatever is given to us, those functions, we try to keep it in ILATE and see whichever comes first, that will be the first function. The second one will be the second function. Now, x is an algebraic function because it's an polynomial, and sine inverse x is an inverse function. So, sine inverse x, which comes first, will be the first function, and x, which comes afterwards, will be the second function. Now, let's look at what is the formula for integration by parts. Suppose we need to find out the integral of product of 1 and 2 functions, then the formula will be 1 into integral of 2 minus integral of derivative of 1 multiply with integral of 2. This whole thing we have to integrate again. Now, as we said here, 1 is sine inverse x and 2 equals to x. So let us substitute our functions in this integration by parts in formula. We will have integral of x into sine inverse x equals to first function sine inverse x multiply with integral of x dx minus integral of derivative of sine inverse x multiply with integral of x dx. This whole thing we have to integrate. Now, what is integral of x? X square by 2. So, it will be x square by 2 sine inverse x minus integral of x is x square by 2. So, we can keep 1 by 2 outside and we can write numerator x square, and derivative of sine inverse x is 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Now, to solve the second part of it, let's use trigonometric substitution. So, we'll take x equals to sine theta. If x is sine theta, then dx will be cos theta d theta. And root of 1 minus x square will be cos theta. Let us substitute that. We will have x square by 2 sine inverse x minus half into integral of x square, that is sine square theta, dx, that is cos theta d theta, divided by square root of 1 minus x square, which is cos theta. 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta, square root of that is cos theta. When we try to simplify, cos theta will cancel. We are left out with half of integral of sine square theta d theta. But we don't know the integral of sine square theta. So let us try to remove the power there and try to change that to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2, for which we can easily find out the integral. So we'll write down x square by 2 sine inverse x minus 1 by 2 into sine square theta is written as 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. Now let's open the brackets and try to integrate. We will have x square by 2 sine inverse x minus 1 by 4 integral of d theta plus 1 by 4 integral of cos 2 theta. Now we know integral of d theta is theta and theta is sine inverse x. So we can write down x square by 2 sine inverse x minus theta by 4 plus 1 by 4 into cos 2 theta integral is sine 2 theta divided by 2. Now we can simplify and translate from theta, convert again back into x. So we can write down x square by 2 sine inverse x minus theta is sine inverse x. So I can write down 1 by 4 sine inverse x plus 1 by 4 into sine 2 theta by 2, that is 2 sine theta cos theta by 2. 2 and 2 will cancel. So we can write down 1 by 4 into sine theta cos theta plus c. In our last step, we'll change everything into x and we will write it as x square by 2 sine inverse x minus one by 4 sine inverse x plus 1 by 4 into sine theta is x and cos theta is square root of 1 minus x square plus c.